Welcome back, everyone. We're just in time to finish up our February video before the month ends. And I have another Trinitron to show you guys. I found a 20-inch 90s model locally on Facebook Marketplace, and I decided, why not? I'll pick it up. Now, this one's not too different to some of the other small black ones that I've showed you guys before. It is obviously a bigger model. It has a flap similar to those models as well, and it has an aux jack for headphones, RCA composite, and a mono audio RCA plug in the front. Seems to power on just fine. When I tried it earlier, I wiped it down a little bit. Now let's turn it around. Now this is a little scruffed up. Besides that, there's no major damage to it. It is a little dusty as well, but I wiped it down a little bit. I'll probably go over a little more later on. There are some points to mount the power cable if you have to move it. I don't think most people notice that those things are there, but definitely take advantage of those, especially if you're not used to moving these. And on the back for inputs, we have an RF connection or a coaxial cable, and then we have the input one, which is composite and mono RCA audio. This particular one was manufactured in November of 1998. And it just so happens I found a remote listing for this on eBay, which was kind of interesting. I'll try to include the photo of it below if I can get it. If not, I couldn't get the photo. But found the remote that was supposed to go with the model. And I do have a second remote that could go with this model. For that 14-inch one I showed before, they both work, same series. The only difference is this MTS button, which I haven't looked into yet. Okay, so you have a standard menu for the time. Nothing too special. You have a timer, daylight savings time for the clock, channel setup, language, captions, whatnot, brightness. Nothing too special. And we're going to use the N64 because that's easily available, and then also its only outputs are RF, composite, and S-video, and this TV is RF and composite only. I have not bothered to check and see if there's any kind of RGB mods for this unit. I believe it is possible because it's the same set from some of the other ones that I've seen that can. There you go, everybody. Here's another overview video. I did intend to show you if it with a VCR, but unfortunately my best VCR is being borrowed by someone else to back up some family tapes. So I'm going to postpone that. Possibly I'll do a follow-up video. Anyway, I do notice I think the geometry seems to be off. I might try to adjust that eventually, but for now I'm going to leave it be. You can kind of see here on the main menu of the EverDrive how the top's cut off, and it seems to bend both ways. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good February. We're about a week left in the month, and then I plan to see you all again in March. Enjoy!